Hey lovelies, this is Supriya Gautam and welcome back to Cosplay Genie. In today's video, I am going to try the viral Asian makeup tutorial. I've been watching these kind of videos and they were super crazy. So I decided to give it a try. Guess what? I have no clue what products are they using on their face. So whatever material I have right now, I'm going to use it and create that look. Please do not laugh at the end because I have a feeling that I am going to fail. So let's begin. So I have this wax. I'm going to create a nose bridge with this. Let's see how it's going to look like. It's going to be fast. I'm going to look for the very first one. Okay, so I'm done with my nose. I hope you can see it. Now I have to do my chin. This hardly So this is my final look. Yes, I tried to create this V shape but I didn't have tape, so yeah, just continue. Okay, so I am going to try some thicker filters, the Asian filters basically. So let's see how